Hey there, travelers. Today we're talking about the Highlander of the animal kingdom, the jellyfish. Jellyfish. Turns out there could be more than one, and they don't have to be Scottish. But the IUCN has currently not investigated one species of jellyfish because they are immortal. Now I know what you're thinking, but Trav, what does that mean? Well, first we have to learn a little bit more about all jellyfish species. There are over 350 species of jellyfish swim in our world's oceans. Some can sit on top of my fingernail. While the largest one, the Arctic lion-maned jellyfish, can have tentacles that reach longer than 3 school buses. Woo! Jellyfish have drifted along the ocean currents for millions of years, even before the dinosaurs lived.
Well, that doesn't seem that long ago. I remember it like it was yesterday.
Jellyfish are found in abundance both in warm and cold ocean water, deep water, and along coastlines.
They're everywhere!
Jellyfish have tiny stinging cells along their tentacles known as cnidocytes that they use to stun or paralyze their prey before they eat them. The phylum which jellyfish belong, Cnidaria, are actually known for their stinging structures that line their tentacles. They dine on fish, shrimp, crabs, and tiny plants. They both eat and discard waste from an opening in that bell-shaped body. Bleh, that would really leave a bad taste in your mouth. They usually propel themselves forward by contracting muscles along the edge of that bell and push the water out to shoot themselves forward. Imagine moving by just tightening your muscles. They have to propel themselves with their mouth and muscles because they have no bones. They're pretty loosey-goosey. Jellyfish stings can be very painful to humans and sometimes very dangerous.
Ouch.
You definitely wouldn't want to be stung by a box jellyfish, which is considered to be one of the most, if not the deadliest marine animal in the world. Now, jellyfish don't purposely attack humans. Most jellyfish stings occur when a human accidentally touches one of them. And contrary to what media has told you, urinating on a jellyfish sting doesn't really help. In fact, it can cause more pain. Some jellyfish are clear, but others are vibrant colors such as pink, yellow, blue, and purple, and often are luminescent. What makes the immortal jellyfish different than other jellyfish? When in the Medusa phase, the jellyfish lays a planula larva down on the ocean floor with the exact same genetic code as itself. This isn't a son or a daughter. There's no difference between the dying jellyfish and the polyp that's forming on the sea floor. Now, the name Medusa might sound familiar to you fans of Greek mythology. The name comes from the resemblance of the jellyfish tentacles to the snake-haired gorgon. The immortal jellyfish is a small species of jellyfish found in the Mediterranean Sea as well as the waters of Japan. Thanks for checking us out this week, travelers. If you like this video, give us a like. Also, if you have a favorite fact about the jellyfish, leave it in the comments below. Mrs. Tachi's kindergarten class wrote in to asktravstravels@gmail.com and suggested the jellyfish. Thanks! If you want to be as cool as them, email us at asktravstravels@gmail.com and tell us your favorite animal you want to learn more about. If you want to learn more about the reproduction and cloning of a jellyfish, check out travstravels.org and visit our Facebook page. Follow us on Twitter @Travs Travels. And finally, if you like learning about animals with me, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep on traveling. Jellyfish. Snakes.